In our society today, we are bombarded with ways that our body should look to be beautiful, healthy, and attractive. It is estimated that 45 million Americans go on a diet each year, and they spend around $33 billion in healthcare weight loss products. Graduating with my nutritional science degree in June, I have extensively researched many different diets. However, I have taken a special interest in the ketogenic diet, as it pretty much goes against all of the USDA's recommendations that they've had for years. Today, I am going to share an overview of the ketogenic diet and then share 3 different reasons people choose to start the diet, yet why it is better to actually follow the USDA's guidelines. So as a quick overview, the ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet. The purpose of the diet is to put our body into what is called ketosis, which happens when we starve our body of carbohydrates. This is the goal so that our bodies start burning fat instead of carbohydrates for energy, leading to fat loss. So the first reason people start the diet is they like to eat delicious food and still lose weight. As Americans, we love our butter, bacon, and burgers. So many Americans love the idea that they can still lose weight while eating these things. However, it's important to realize that the ketogenic diet only allows 50 grams of carbohydrates. If we look at some of the common foods we eat, that's one banana is 27 grams, an apple is 25, and a slice of bread is 48. So this diet, while it's high in fat, leaves very little room for fruits and grains, which are important for vitamins and minerals and fiber for our body to lead to optimal health. It's also important to realize that by eating such little carbohydrates, our body has a harder time exercising, as our body uses carbohydrates as the main fuel during running, jogging, swimming, any kind of aerobic exercise. So by eating fewer, we also forfeit the benefits that come with exercise. The second reason people start this diet is that it is a fast way to lose weight. Now, while it has been shown that following the ketogenic diet leads to weight loss quickly, this isn't always an advantage when we're talking about a diet. It is estimated that 80 to 90% of Americans gain back the weight that they have lost. Most of this is due to a diet not being sustainable, meaning that they're able to lose a lot at the beginning but can't maintain the food they're eating or the regimen, and so they gain it back really quickly. The ketogenic diet is more complicated to follow by eating so much fat and so few carbs, and this makes it very difficult to maintain. So there is a high probability that once the diet is stopped, then weight can be gained back very quickly. The third reason is that you lose body fat. Now, while I have researched many different articles, it is proven that in the short term, body fat is lost. However, it's important also to consider that of the studies I've looked at, there were very few I could find that were more than 3 to 5 years. I didn't find any over 5 years. This diet is very new, and because of that, it's not been studied very well. I would like to consider too that heart disease, GI disease, high blood pressure, and cancers all take time to develop. And these different things I've listed are associated with a high-fat diet. And so while there's short-term benefits, in the long term we have no idea. And according to previous data, it could lead to very many potential harmful side effects. So instead of the ketogenic diet, I recommend that we follow the USDA's guidelines, or MyPlate. This incorporates both fruits and vegetables, grains, so we receive our fiber and our vitamins and minerals from the fruits and vegetables. We get dairy, so our bones and our teeth are strong, as well as protein to help us stay full. The USDA also recommends about 30 minutes of exercise a day, which helps our bodies to function properly and to be toned and mentally help our mental state as well. So, in conclusion, while the ketogenic diet may look on the surface like there are many benefits, deep down there are a lot of potential harmful side effects that science hasn't figured out yet. So instead, let's bombard ourselves with fruits and vegetables.